Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of warfare. Engagement in or the activities involved in war or conflict. For example, guerrilla warfare. American pronunciation. Warfare. Warfare. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Warfare. Say. Warfare. Warfare means engagement in or activities involved in war or conflict. Warfare. Warfare. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Chemical weapons have most commonly been used by states in military warfare. Now, repeat after me. Chemical weapons have most commonly been used by states in military warfare. The second practice. So his method for spreading revolution was still that of guerrilla warfare. Now, repeat after me. So his method for spreading revolution was still that of guerrilla warfare.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.